cheer myself up after being fined and then getting to the Dartford crossing and forgetting I've got no tag and having no money, but being lit through by the kindness of the operator of the barrier. And now being in and out of Hoddesdon in an hour. I'm doing quite well now. The day's improved a bit. Good time. I've spent the night in glamorous Swindon truck stop. What a depressing place. I hate truck stops. I really, really hate them. But I was told to wait here because a man's bringing me some fuel cards. Because I'm shipping out on the boat to Santander tomorrow. It's a new one for me. Never been on that one before. My double chin's looking terrible. Time to cook breakfast, I think. Happy days. I'm still pissed off about being fined for the first time ever. Oh well, there we go. Yeah. I've loaded in Swindon, and I'm now on my way to Poole to ship in the morning to Santander. Which is okay, not great. I don't like long boats. I like my own space too much. But there we are. I need a 24, so I get out on the boat. And it's a new boat, never been on it before. New to me, that is. Okie doke. I'm reversing on the ferry and holding a camera. I'm an idiot. There's the ferry. 27 hours I'm going to be on that bloody thing. I didn't realise it carried passengers, I thought it was a freight boat. So I've really been forced to a fucking cabin. Oh well, such is life. Yeah, I'm on the boat. And I out-reversed somebody. Haha. Go upstairs and have some breakfast now. Marvellous. Here we go, here's the ferry loading. It's busy, very busy. I hope to God it's not more than 1 2 to a cabin. And there's the sun rising on another beautiful day. At least you don't have to look at somebody right opposite you as if you're in a bed with them. And I've got a window. What's outside? Oh, water. Fancy that. We're off. A lovely, nice autumnal day. Nice scenery. Lovely. Goodbye, Blighter. See you soon. This is really rather scenic. I have to Google that. What is it? Somebody tell me. Look at that little ferry that runs on chains, apparently. A place where rich people live. Beaches. This has got to be one of the best ferry exits, I'm not sure that's a technical term, I've ever been on. It's amazing. Makes Portsmouth look really boring. Oh, and there it is, the ferry's moving. Bloody fantastic. Actually quite a nice look. I don't mind this ferry crossing at all now. I'm not sharing. I've got a cabin to myself. And a little desk with a window view where I'm going to edit my video. Good times. Now night time. I've just had my dinner. It's very nice too. Nice beef. I had duck for lunch. Can you believe a duck on the ferry? And it's dark. I'd say about 95% but I'm not. I'm going back to my room to edit a video. No announcements on this ferry. There just seems to be some medieval get out of your cabin music. Oh dear. That's quite funny. There you have it, there's Spain. Never arrived in Spain by ferry before. Look, you see the bridge. Beautiful sunny day leaving Poole. Rainy and cloudy entering Spain. We're off. Just had to be a nice man and jumpstart somebody who'd left his interior lights on. Now we're on our way. As you can see, it's a lovely day in Spain. This must be the flat battery boat. That's 3 I've seen, and 1 I've helped. Oh, well. What can you do? Now to a run. What? Okay. Cheers. I think this is the right way out. I've got a piece of paper. I don't know what it's for. Oh, this looks like an exit of some sort.
Donald. Yep, that's right. Mostly suckler beef these days. Seen Donald for a well, while.
Drop of fuel in Spain. I would do anyway, but France isn't looking very good at the moment. So look at all the shininess, isn't it lovely? Shiny, shiny. And got to park up in a run because I can't drive in France on a Sunday. Splendid. In a run. Parked up. Look at this for a fine machine. I thought Nolan's had long gone, or those prize buy trailers had long gone. Look at the state of that. Jesus Christ. Good old Nolan's. Fine fleet. It's quite entertaining seeing here. You know, in the UK most drivers wouldn't even change a bulb now. These men are putting lights on their lorry. Romanians. It's one way to pass the Sunday, I suppose. Doing quite a nice job as well. Well, it's 1:50 in the morning and I'm stuck in a traffic jam. Because something's disappeared off the road, it looks like, according to the sat-nav. So I've got the kettle on. My poor battered kettle. Oh well. Not to worry, we'll get there in the end, I'm sure. We're moving! Look, there's abandoned lorries and everything. It's only an hour and a half. Gonna be a bit late, there we go. I find it hard to get annoyed by big delays because it normally means a horrible accident. Which could be any one of us. Nice recovery truck. Oh yeah, that is a bad one. Oh fuck. Fuck, that was horrible. Hit the bridge support. Be surprised if he walked away from that. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Look at this, my sat-nav's gone mad. Seems to think I'm doing about 230 kilometers per hour. 114 kilometers in 28 minutes. Oh, if only.